Afternoon, legends. Welcome back. Alright, bit of update from off the camera. We've fiddled around quite a bit. We've tested pretty much everything and come up with absolutely zero conclusion on where we are going from here. Nah, we're gonna put this DFI plate on. Direct fire ignition, apparently. And see if this does anything, because we seem to have power everywhere that we need to have power, but we've got no fuel coming out of the injectors. BCM's linked, key's good, we think, but so this is the final stand at this point. If this doesn't fix it, I'm pretty confident that I'm gonna hotwire this thing just so we can go and do a skid. It is what it is at this point. Stay tuned. Just don't snap one.
That'll be the end of it, can't.
Yeah, then we're packing up.
Just turn that thing off.
Yeah.
Probably should have done your little spray up with this, brother.
The RP7 with the scope.
With that scope, bro, that's the one.
That extendo mag. You know, oh, that's stuck on there.
It's all good.
Okay.
We're a little bit further than we were before. She's dry, bro.
Leave it in there and then wiggle it off.
Let's get that Diddy shit. Like what that torch was covered in.
Oh, that smooth oil.
That's it, bro. Yeah, the smooth oil.
It's gonna start. It's gonna bang top
Shit
too.
out of this.
Should we weld the disc straight away? We just do it now.
That's what you should be doing right now.
Actually,
It's all good, brother.
yeah, I'm gonna get it close up.
Got the fancy fucking torch set up. The work. Check the workshop out, bro.
The workshop is little.
That's a workshop, bro.
Show you. We're just out here trying to make dreams happen. For the people.
What was that saying? We judge. And we just listen.
We listen and we don't judge.
Oh, sorry.
Close, bro. You were on.
Fuck, bro.
Definitely on the right track.
Alright.
Is that good?
Nah.
Is there
Yeah.
bolts in the back, bro?
Pretty sure there might be.
Yeah, there's definitely bolts in the back, G.
Yeah. Alright, so cut that out. Because I got the best house and best seat in the house. That looks fresh, bro.
Does look fresh.
Whole thing looks fucking fresh.
I'm just trying to supply the most light I can, because I don't know why we got the bloke with the bad eyesight on this job, but
Just taking over.
it is what it is. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh,
That's seen better days, bro. That's been through a Diddy
show
party.
chat. Show chat.
That was part of the freak-offs.
The Diddy fire injection.
Is that the problem?
That's black and that one's silver.
Hmm.
It's all different.
Oh, yeah.
Right, no, you haven't, have you?
Oh, it's been on, but I've just been walking around checking, trying to find the earth on the back and stuff.
This shitty socket set, eh? When it clicks, it means it's done.
Okay.
One in the middle, one on the bottom.
Do it, bottom. I'll break it. The sacrifices we make for you guys. Hoping it was fuel. All right. Yeah. There's no fuel coming out of the injectors. Still. So hot wire.
Why don't we do the gas pump? No, I'd like to change the oil if I'm honest.
It wasn't. It's going in the video, bro. This guy wants to change oil in it.
Come on, bro.
I'm putting rods in that oil.
You seen that piss tank? You're gonna rod out.
I don't know, eh? Let's hot wire it tomorrow. I'm gonna stop this. Alright guys, we'll maybe chuck a short up out of this, or you'll see it running in a few minutes. Either way, peace. So I'm getting that thing moving. Welcome back. Alright, so we have done some stuff, I guess. We put an earth wire to the ECU. We thought it was going to fix everything. It didn't.
Show me crack foodies.
Then we pulled... No, I don't want to... Oh, shut up. I've got to still actually put some tape around it because it's dangerous. Yeah, ran that wire. A little earthy earth. Because we didn't have an earth to the ECU. And we thought that was going to fix the problem. It did not. And then we think the injectors are blocked after all that, because we had the test light on the injector in here on the blue one, and whether we've accidentally fixed it along the way and the injectors have been blocked the whole time or whatever, we don't know. But it was pulsing, so it's like the injector should work. Maybe the injector's blocked, cooked, I don't know what they do.
What if you pulled one out?
But we pulled one out, fuel come out the rail immediately, so there's fuel there. We're going to, another second-hand set that will come out of a working car. So we're going to give them a crack now.
Fucking Magna.
Magna ones, but that's what the part number said anyway. We know how good part numbers are. So yeah, I'll pop the clips off this side. Jaco's going to pull them injectors out. We'll start popping new ones in. And then see if fuel comes out.
Maybe give it another little kiss before you start then, if you do that stuff.
Well, I just give it some kisses.
I know, that's what I mean. Maybe give one lucky one before
No,
you
these
start.
are like, they were lucky ones, right? What are you saying? My kisses weren't good enough the first time. Maybe it's, Red Diddy fingered it in.
Full rip, no spit, my brother.
Leave it, don't click, you're going to pull it, see if it's got injection. Just put your fuel hose on like that.
I beg your pardon?
You don't do that.
Any more what? Put them back on?
Yeah.
No, not me. Just return. Back in.
Alright. Prime it. Kick it. See if we got fuels. Yeah. We're going racing. Going racing. Done. The mic disconnected. I was so excited. Oh. Don't know what to say. What do we do? What are we doing with it? Woo!